because it was written in a very victimizing बेचारी kind of a way. तुम अकेले रहने वाली हो, तुमको ही करना है जो करना है, या बेटा हमारे साथ कुछ अच्छा नहीं होगा. Nobody knows anything about my love life because it's non-existent.
Hi, this is Tanu and welcome to Peeping Moon. Today we have Anjali Anand with us, जिनकी फिल्म धमाल 4 इन दिनों थिएटर्स में धमाल मचा रही है और अब वो हमारे साथ हैं. Hi Anjali, welcoming you at Peeping
Hi,
Moon.
thank you so much for having me.
Firstly, you're glowing.
So are you?
Is it a release glow or the appreciation you're getting?
It is the release. I'm usually always glowing because I
Yeah,
always believe in you
100%.
should always be happy. No matter good things are happening or bad things are happening in life, you should always have come back to your center
Yeah.
and be happy and find your pockets of happiness every day. But the film and the response is really adding to it. It's really adding to it. I'm smiling wide mostly these days.
तो धमाल 4 में जब आपको ये ऑफर हुआ रोल एंड गुलाबी साड़ी इज जस्ट मेड फॉर यू आई फील so how was your reaction for the character and why did you choose it?
I think more than anything, I chose it because of the screen time I was getting. The opportunity that I was getting was not an opportunity I've got before. जितना भरोसा मुझ पर किया जा रहा था to take a character and be such a big deal in a film, I think that is the only reason I took it, because these opportunities don't come very often, and when they do come, I know it comes with a lot of negatives, but I think I would be a fool to not take these opportunities and use them to my advantage, like I did it this time. And I think I wanted to play this character not in a. I knew that if anybody else played it, might victimize it, because it was written in a very victimizing beachari kind of a way. I didn't let her be that, and
like you always do.
yeah. So I think I would not let a woman show कि बहुत बेचारी है, उसके ऊपर जुल्म हो रहे हैं, मे बी वैसा हो रहा हो, पिक्चर में कोई वैसा कर रहा हो, but she will come across as a strong woman and someone who will change your mind about her.
एंड पर्सनली भी आप वैसी ही वुमेन हैं. कितना सारा स्टोरीज है, कितने सारी रियलिटीज़ है जो आप फेस करके यहाँ तक पहुँची है जहाँ आप हैं, बट यू नेवर लेट योर सेल्फ, यू नेवर लेट योर स्पार्क इवन अ बिट लो. What was the motivation point for you?
Very early on in life, I realized that this is it. You are it. तुम अकेले रहने वाली हो, तुमको ही करना है जो करना है. लोग आएंगे जाएंगे, लोगों का बहुत कम लोग हैं जो आपके साथ जिंदगी भर वो सफ़र बिताएंगे, जो आपके साथ दोस्त होंगे, फैमिली होगी, बट आप अकेले आते हो, अकेले जाते हो. And I think very early on, after my dad passed away, I realized that it's you. You have to take care of yourself. So I have become so dangerously independent in everything, not just the physical world, but the emotional and spiritual world as well, that I've become so dangerously independent and not dependent on anybody else that it's scary. That if anybody even tries to help me, I'm very weird about taking that help, so I just knew that nobody's coming to help me. I have to help myself. So I think that spark comes from there, that every time you come meeting the world, you come back home, you have to come back to your center. You have to come back to yourself. You have to do things that you love to do. Not because दुनियादारी तो बिल्कुल नहीं करती मैं, लोग क्या कहेंगे मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं फर्क पड़ता, बिकॉज वो मेरे बिल्स नहीं भर रहे, वो मेरा कुछ नहीं कर रहे, वो मेरी जिंदगी नहीं जी रहे, तो उनकी ओपिनियन मैटर करती ही नहीं है. तो आई थिंक द डे यू रियलाइज दैट व्हाट पीपल आर सेइंग अबाउट यू हैज नथिंग टू डू विद यू इज द डे यू विल फाइंड योर स्पार्क एंड इट विल बी देयर विद यू.
आपने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि आपकी मॉम नहीं चाहती थी कि आप इंडस्ट्री का हिस्सा बने, आप काम करें. अब आपकी मॉम क्या कहती हैं?
मेरी mom is a very nonchalant person. She'll not react. Yeah, she'll not react. She'll not express too much. But I know she's proud. Because my mom, because life में इतनी चीज़ें हुई है, that is, उन्होंने बस मॉम का विश्वास तोड़ दिया है. तो अभी मॉम को विश्वास ही नहीं होता. अगर कुछ अच्छा भी हो रहा है, उनको लगता है थोड़े टाइम के लिए है, नहीं होगा, क्यों ही होगा, तुझे क्यों लेंगे पिक्चर में, तुझे क्यों करेंगे. मम्मा हो रहा है. She's always been that person कि अब बेटा हमारे साथ कुछ अच्छा नहीं होगा. तो now I want to show her कि इतना अच्छा हो सकता है. Yesterday I took her for a drive and she saw some flats, in Pali Hill and all of that, and she's like, बेटा यहाँ घर होगा तो कैसा होगा. So उनके अंदर इच्छा है, but उन्होंने अपने मन को इतना मार लिया इतने साल कि she's just lost that faith somewhere, which I will bring back.
And what about you? कि आप इतना काम कर रही हैं, आप वो एक हम कहते हैं ना एक रेवोल्यूशनरी वुमेन, हमको आपने जैसा बोला कि शील्ड हमको रखना पड़ता है जस्ट टू डिस्कनेक्ट फ्रॉम द इमोशंस एंड रियली वर्क एंड लेट पीपल नॉट इंटरवीन इन आवर लाइफ। हमने बहुत देख लिया अंजलि आनंद का एक साइड जो बहुत रेवोल्यूशनरी है। शी टॉक्स अबाउट एवरीथिंग, शी टॉक्स अबाउट हाउ शी विल मेक इट वर्क, बट आप ऐसा सोचती है कि आई विश समवन वाज देयर टू जस्ट होल्ड हैंड?
Of course, every day. That is the biggest dar in my life. I feel sometimes कि what if I'm one of those people जिनकी life में कभी वो आएगा नहीं, you know? And once you cross your 30s, it just becomes more and more real.
Yeah.
कि what if I never have a family? What if I don't ever get that, you know, experience? Because I've always seen myself with someone. I've always seen मेरे दिमाग you know कौन सा गाना था हमारा DDLJ वाला, कैसा है कौन है वो जाने कहाँ है, you know, is that मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए.
You have not found him yet?
I have not found him yet, but I hope I do. I hope the universe.
Are you a tough woman? Because men generally see opinionated women.
People get intimidated by how independent and how alpha I am, but then someone has to be more alpha than me.
Yeah.
To get me.
To get me, yes. What is your ideal kind of love? When we're talking about a man, then let's just say,
what is the idea of about
love?
My man today? Nobody ever asks me these questions, so this is a new day today.
Because I really want to see Anjali Anand. I'm searching for a really long time, but
nobody knows anything about my love life because it's non-existent. I am the kind of person who doesn't go on dates for years, who doesn't even talk, like, you know, लोगों के होते हैं ना कि I'm benching this one, I'm breadcrumbing this one, I'm ghosting. मेरे लाइफ में कोई ड्रामा नहीं है. मुझे कोई DM नहीं करता, मुझे कोई मैसेज नहीं करता. Nobody approaches me, nobody talks to me, nobody flirts with me. None of it happens. बेचारे कोई करते भी होंगे तो मैं उनको देखती नहीं होंगी, उनसे बातें नहीं करती होंगी. तो अगर कोई आता भी होगा, like where we are sitting is my home. I come here almost like 2 or 3 times a week, and I you know, have a drink. It's my brother's place, and nobody can even come and approach me here because they know Anjali तो बैन हो जाएगी, कोई बात भी करेगा अंजलि से. तो I think I'm a little intimidating that way.
Do you think guys should be scared or not of you?
No, when people get to know me, they know I'm the biggest pookie ever.
Yeah.
I am the sweetest, most softest, most delicate person, but very few people get that side of me out, you know, for me to feel safe enough to let my guards down.
Yeah.
You know, so if I'm feeling safe with a person, my guards will go down, and then usually तो लोग झूठे बोल रहे होते हैं starting में, आपको वही कह रहे होते हैं कि they'll be giving you whatever you want to hear, right? And then once those guards start coming up, I become देवी माँ का अवतार आ जाता है. फिर तो I'm like, तुमने मुझसे झूठ बोला, everything was a lie. वो भी मेरे साथ ज़्यादा नहीं होता. एक बार हुआ है when I just gave somebody a chance and oh my God, turned out to be a demon. So no.
Okay.
Now no chances.
Coming back to the work. आपने इंडस्ट्री में अपना अच्छा खासा पैर जमा लिया है, आई वुड से बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में, और अच्छे काम ऑफर हो रहे हैं, बट व्हाट आर योर नॉन नेगोशिएबल्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू वर्क?
I think the character has to speak to me. Like I told you, I don't care कोई नया है, कोई पुराना है, कौन क्या है. I've been lucky enough to be working with legends.
Yeah.
But the character, when I read it, मुझे मन करना चाहिए कि मैं already वो कर रही हूँ. You know, मैं वैसे ही read करती हूँ जैसे कि I'm already doing it. And अगर मुझे feel आ रही है read करने में, then I'm happy. You know, then I'm happy. I think I'll do it. There has to be enough meat in the character. There has to be enough grit in the character for me to do something with it. You know, something that I feel like somebody I want to be. You know, so even being Paro was so nice to me that मेरा पति मेरा देवता है. You know, it's such a different character and it's so endearing and she's so strong and she helps him and she helps everybody and she's सबकी जान तो वही बचाती है. End में जाके O को वही मारती है. You know, everything is her. And yeah. And I think she's so full of love that I just loved to play her.
अगर आपको कोई रोल ऑफर होता है, जैसे कि आप कहती हैं कि कई बार ये देखकर भी रोल ऑफर होते हैं कि व्हाट इज माय बॉडी टाइप, हाउ डू आई लुक इज स्टिल फाइन बिकॉज हमको कैरेक्टर के लिए वैसा, तो हाउ डू यू रिप्लाई टू दैट आफ्टर अ सर्टेन एक्सपीरियंस?
But see, we keep forgetting that we are in a visual medium.
Yeah.
हर कैरेक्टर आपको लुक की वजह से ही मिलता है. But what do you do with it? You know, आपकी उसके साथ आप क्या करते हो वो आपके ऊपर है. तो I think इतना you should not dwell on that so much. People dwell on it too much. I think I'm just trying to pave a way that has not been paved before. तो it will be difficult, but again हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं.
ये बॉलीवुड का कीड़ा आया कहाँ से? आपने बोला कि पापा, yes of course.
I've just been surrounded. मेरे दोस्त भी वैसे ही हैं, हम सब वैसे ही हैं. हम एक दूसरे का फोन भी वैसे उठाते हैं. और you know कि और रंगीला पाजी और क्या मनु भाई गांधी here or something you don't know. भागम भाग से है मनु भाई गांधी. तो it's like so we just answer each other's phone and that. Yeah, सब ऐसे ही हैं. हम सब ऐसे ही मिले. तो I think this हम बहुत मस्ती करते हैं.
You started from TV. तो अगर कोई अच्छा रोल मिलता है तो will you consider?
Yeah, but I would do a finite series. I would not do an infinite series because I have tasted, you know, वो लहू मुँह लग गया है of doing different characters. TV is very comfortable. I will not lie. If I was doing TV, I would have no worry in the world कि मेरे पैसे आ रहे हैं monthly, मेरा घर चल रहा है, सब हो रहा है. But I would still, you know, trade that life to live this life of different characters, and you know, it's just more exciting. But if I get a finite series, I would love to do TV again. I have no problem with the medium. मैं सब करती हूँ.
OTT TV anything
will work. Yeah.
जैसे आपने कहा कि पैसा है अच्छा. विक्रांत मैसी ने एक बार बोला था, एक काफी बड़ा अमाउंट बोला था. I would not like to say that amount, but उन्होंने बोला था टीवी से मेरा घर बहुत अच्छे से चलता था. जब मैं फिल्मों में आया तो I took a ऐसा कि मैं बेट लगा रहा हूँ, फिल्में मिली तो ठीक है, वरना so was that the case with you also?
I have always been struggling with money. I'm not very good with it. मुझे कोई गाइड करने वाले भी नहीं है लाइफ में. तो आई एम जस्ट यू नो ट्राइंग टू, मेरा बस ऐसे चलता है कि जहाँ से काम मिल रहा है, जहाँ से पैसे आ रहे हैं, अपना घर चलाते रहो. तो आई थिंक आई डोंट थिंक अबाउट इट टू मच. आई शुड, बट आई थिंक उस अमाउंट का पैसे अभी तक कमा नहीं रही हूँ जो सोचने लगूँ और प्लानिंग करने लगूँ. आई थिंक वो टाइम आएगा अभी, होपफुली जब वो टाइम आए और वैसे पैसे आए तो मैं उस पर दिमाग लगाऊँ. बट आई थिंक
how see your finances?
हाँ,
पैसे कौन देखता? फाइनेंसेस आप खुद ही देखती हैं. अच्छा, आपका not many people know that you have a business also, brand.
Yes.
So tell us the audience about that, because I really want people to know.
I have a brand called Beyond the Curve. तो जैसे अभी मैंने ये पहना है, ये भी मैंने खुद ही बनवाया है. With most clothes that I wear, I make. तो it was inevitable कि मेरा कल जाके brand होगा. And I found someone, and coincidentally again met someone very interesting who was starting this, and we said let's partner up and let's do this. So I have a very big team backing me, and I have a wonderful team in Bangalore which is backing me, and you know, taking care of the back end while I am here trying to sell the clothes. And Beyond the Curve by Virgio is a sustainable brand. We make on order. We don't have any extras. We don't have any inventory that you know goes to waste. Everything is on demand. And yeah, we have a new drop every Thursday. So that's like 100 styles get added every Thursday. That's a big feat that we are trying to do. But our tech is so strong because of Amar Nagaram, who's the founder, that I don't have to worry about anything. They've made me very comfortable.
But आपको क्यों लगा कि एक ऐसे ब्रांड की ज़रूरत है? क्योंकि हम कुछ सोचते हैं फिर वो चीज़ स्टार्ट करते हैं, इनिशिएट करते हैं.
There was a gap था एक मार्केट में कि you know plus size में कपड़े बहुत plus size, so I don't even like the word plus size, but sizes were only small, medium, large, max to max XL. उसके आगे वाले लोग क्या करेंगे? वही कुर्ते पहनेंगे, वही ट्यूनिक्स पहनेंगे, वही टेंट वाले बलून वाले कपड़े मुझे नहीं अच्छे लगते. मुझे खुद को नहीं अच्छे लगते, मैं दूसरों को क्यों पहनेंगी? तो I think that was the thing that I wanted to do, change that.
Yeah. Okay. My last question would be कि पाइपलाइन में क्या है, क्या क्या चीज़ें आने वाली हैं?
बातें तो हो रही है, बट अभी बन टिक्की आई होप विल कम आउट सून. उसमें मेरा एक छोटा सा पार्ट है which is Manish Malhotra's production. And
I think it is on Z. It was supposed to release on Z somewhere.
I have no idea, but hopefully soon. And
because he discussed recently with us. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I hope that comes out soon. And अभी है web shows है, movies है, बातें चल रही है. Let's hope something good comes out of this. I hope people see my work, and I hope अभी इससे ज़्यादा मैं क्या करूँ मुझे नहीं मालूम. अब इससे बड़ी और पिक्चर क्या करूँ, इससे ज़्यादा अपने आप को out there क्या करूँ मैं. But I hope something good comes out of it, and I'm here for a long time, and this is just the beginning.
You're going to stay for a longer time. I'm 100% sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.